Make him laugh.
What was I saying?
I don't know.
It's not like he really knows the words anyway.
No.
How was your day, little man? How was your day? Did you do lots of fun stuff? Did you poopy? Did you pee pee? Did you go poopy and pee pee? Did you go in the car and go to sleep? You made mommy take you in the car. Why'd you do that? So you could go see peace? Huh? What else did you do today? Tell me. Tell me. Lots of poopies and peepees? Did you go pee-pee?
Was that funny?
What did you do?
I said, there we go. There we go. Is mommy funny? What you doing? You're a silly boy. What you doing? Oh, you did a little silent laugh there. What you doing?
What are you laughing at?
What's so funny? He hasn't started hiccuping yet. You learning how to laugh without hiccuping? Yeah. This is much better than screaming and crying like you were doing earlier.
He gets happy when his daddy's home.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you? You get happy when daddy's home?
What are you doing? What's so funny? Where are you going? What are you looking at? They were all on the coffee table.
Oh, I forgot.
What you doing?
What did you do?
I went.
You like standing on the phone book?
What's they doing? Are you done laughing now?